two main disadvantages of male long hair. My hair is kind of long at this point in time, so therefore I'm qualified, I think at least I'm qualified to talk about this. The first one is stress on your hair follicles. So in terms of preventing androgenic alopecia, which is male pattern baldness, aka the loss of hair over time as you age, as a male usually, but it can also occur in females or in people who identify as male or female. Now, what appears is that the more you put something under stress, like hair follicles, and this is just a theory, a hypothesis, by the way, not really something actually scientific. The more you put these follicles under stress, the more... So basically, the theory behind this is that the areas which are usually most under stress, so which are usually very tight, is here, for example, maybe also here. So if a bald person, for example, if you look at a bald person's head, then it appears that the scalp itself is very tight. So therefore, the hair follicles would be under constant pressure. Of course, there is also a huge genetic component to this. But at a given genetic component, you could potentially hurt your long-term. You could potentially negatively influence your long-term hair journey. Because most male humans actually suffer from androgenic alopecia over time. So therefore, the shorter the hair, the less weight per hair follicle actually is on the hair follicle itself that actually prevents the hair from falling out. If I have hair this long and I would cut it and divide it into 10 and only 1/10 of the hair is left, then this results also in only 1/10 of the weight that is then putting less stress over time on the hair follicle. And now the second thing is hair that is actually falling out day and day out. So basically now 2 times a day I have to comb my hair all the time, and it's probably at least 10 minutes of my day, which is ridiculous, I think, but I haven't yet decided to cut off my hair. And what this results in is your comb being full of hair. At least in my case, maybe this is an early case of, as I said, androgenic alopecia, or maybe it's just the normal hair you lose. Because it's now significantly longer, it also is it just appears as more hair. Because if a short hair falls out, and if a hair that is 10 times as long falls out, then if you just take a look at the volume, then of course the long hair has 10 times the volume of the short hair. And this is the second big major downside. So, in conclusion, the first one is possibly speeding up your hair loss. And the second one is the problem of combing your hair every single day.